Hello. In this lesson I'll talk about Microsoft Azure, which is Microsoft's entry into the cloud computing market. Microsoft has been in the cloud computing market for a while and is now aggressively marketing these services to companies and government organizations. So what exactly is Azure? Microsoft Azure is built on top of a series of very large data centers that Microsoft has built over the last few years in areas from all over the world. These services range from infrastructure services such as hosting virtual servers in the cloud to a cloud-based version of Microsoft SQL Server. These services that Microsoft is adding is growing rapidly. As you can see in this slide, Microsoft offers these services on a worldwide basis. New data centers are being constructed to offer these services in most parts of the world. This coverage gives global companies options to offer internet-based services that are closer to their customers. This proximity to the customers cuts down on network delay so that these customers will see a better service. Microsoft Azure was announced in October of 2008 and was first released in production in June 2010 as Windows Azure. In the first release of the system, the .NET 4 framework was delivered. In 2012, virtual machines and websites were released that also represented a major milestone for the platform. Since that time, a long list of features have been announced and rolled out. I'll provide some additional information at the end of this section that will detail these features further. As of the current release, Azure really offers a complete list of features to run an entire data center in the cloud. These features include web apps for hosting not just .NET applications, but also Java, PHP, and others. There's a growing list of applications that support mobile applications, development, and testing. In the area of infrastructure, Azure supports a complete line of services for hosting virtual servers. In addition to this, Azure also supports services for data analytics, high-performance computing, Internet of Things, networking, development and testing, storage, backup and recovery, and identity management. As you can see, this is a long list of services, and the list is growing every day. In this section, I'll be demonstrating how to get started with Azure and how to sign up for a free account. Next, I'll show you the Azure Control Panel and some of the highlights of how to navigate around the system. Next, I'll show you how to create a virtual machine and how to set the options for that machine. And for the final example, I'll create a simple website and show you how to publish that website to Azure. Microsoft Azure is really a complete system that offers services in all three areas of cloud computing. Microsoft is investing large amounts of money into Azure's development and is pushing hard to compete with Amazon AWS. Not only does Microsoft market and sell these services to private companies, but they also sell their service to many different government agencies. These services are offered on a separate secure platform from their commercial customers that conforms to many federal and state computing standards. I've included more information in the last section where you can get more information on Azure. So this concludes the overview of Azure. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lesson.